Frankie and Johnny were sweethearts. Oh my good Lord, they did love. They swore to be true to each other, just as true as the stars above. He was a man, but he was doing her wrong. Well, Frankie went down to the corner just for a bucket of beer. She said to the fat bartender, "Has me lovin' Johnny been here? He is my man. I think he's doing me wrong. I don't wanna tell you no story. I don't wanna tell you no lies, but I seen your man an hour ago with that guy named Nellie Bly. He is your man. I think he's doing you wrong." Frankie went down to the hotel, didn't go there for fun. Hidden underneath her kimono, she carried a .44 gun. He was a man, but he was doing her wrong. So Frankie peeked over the transom and found to her great surprise, there on the bed sat Johnny, loving at that Nellie Bly. He was a man, and he was doing her wrong. And Frankie pulled back her kimono, and she pulled out her gun, and root-toot-toot-toot 3 times. She shot right through that hardwood door. He was a man, but he was doing her wrong. The first time that Frankie shot Johnny, he let out another yell. The second time she shot him, there was a human's face in hell. He was a man, but he was doing her wrong. Well, this is the end of my story. This is the end of my song. Frankie is down in the jailhouse, and she cries the whole night long. He was my man, but he was doing me wrong. He was my man, but he was doing me wrong.